In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a card from PayPal. Maybe you've got an old card that's expired, you've switched banks, or you just don't want a particular card linked to your PayPal account anymore. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, that card will be safely removed from your account. First, open your browser and go to the PayPal website, then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard. This is the summary page where you normally see your recent activity, your balance, and any linked funding sources. Take a second to make sure you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one. From your dashboard, look for the option labeled Wallet. This is usually at the top of the page or along the main menu. Go ahead and click on Wallet. The Wallet section is where PayPal keeps all your payment methods together, including your linked bank accounts and cards. Think of it as the digital version of opening your real wallet and seeing all your cards inside. Once you're in the wallet, you'll see a list of the cards connected to your account. Carefully find the specific card you want to remove. This is important so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one, especially if you have several cards from the same bank. When you've identified the correct card, click directly on that card. This will open a detailed view with more information and options for that particular card. On the card details page, look for a button or link that says Remove Card. It may be near the bottom or off to the side, but it should be clearly labeled. Click on Remove Card. At this point, PayPal is preparing to unlink that card from your account, but it will usually ask you to confirm first. A confirmation message or pop-up should appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove this card. This is your last chance to double check that you've selected the right one. When you're certain, click on Remove this card to confirm. After a moment, the card will disappear from your wallet, which means it's no longer linked to your PayPal account or available for future payments. And that's it. You've successfully removed a card from PayPal.